What's up, YouTube? MX Dude there. So I guess it's time for part 3 of the video series. So I would be slapping that engine in the chassis. My bad. So I just did a leak down test. No leak at all. Everything is good. You just see a bunch of parts. Got a brand new PWK 28 carburetor. Brand new. I did get the rear bumper and the new skid plate as well. Like I'm saying, I'm gonna be installing the engine. So I'm gonna have to take the seat out, the gas tank, all the shebang. Should be quick. So let me get back to you as soon as I do a bit of progress. Engine is in. So front mount, rear mount, and then both bottom mount to install. Oh, brand new bolts, by the way. All new hardware throughout the bike. So I'm actually gonna test fit those PW 28. Purdy. All right, so let me get back to you in a few minutes. So carbs are on, pretty much bolt on. So the guy I bought it from, he pre-jet them for me. So it's pre-jet for a V-Force 3, and it's gonna have some FMF fatty. So it's a big bore for let's say a trail purpose. So it's not a full-blown race bike. Anyway, those carbs are actually pretty much bolt on. The only thing you have to do, you gotta trim that little nipple, because it was hitting on that little shift shaft. I don't know if you can see the other one. See, the other one has got a little pink hose on it. That one doesn't have it. So that's the only little mod you got to do to install those PWK. Easy peasy. Rear bumper is on. Rear tail light bracket is on as well. Got that thing powder coated. So we got an XFR rear bumper. I got the skid plate too, brand new to install. I didn't install the shifter lever. I had to take the heel guard off in the peg, but easy peasy. So it's coming along well. I know I say that a lot in my video, but it is what it is. Yep, so I'm going to install a brand new OEM tail light. Yep, I did receive the brand new plastic too today, so I'm gonna mock them up on the bike later on. It might be in that video or it's gonna be in the next one. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, I'm just about ready to install her. I need to find the two little rubber bushing. Easy job. All right, so tail light is on. Can't go wrong with a brand new OEM tail light. Anyway, I'm doing the gas line, a brand new fuel line, and a brand new on and off valve, brand new air box with a EHS Racing lid. Not sure if you can see. Anyway, got a Pro Design billet adapter for the air filter. Brand new again. So everything's gonna be brand new on that bike. Yep. I don't want to start rambling, so I'm showing you the process as soon as I'm done with it. Brand new OEM on and off valve. Let's go in. Gotta get that little fucking condom off. Give me a second. It's off. So pretty simple, eh? Brand freaking new. Okay, it's starting to look like something. Don't mind that shitty cross tube. I actually got a how's it called? It's the boost bottle. So I actually got the boost bottle that go with those billet intake. So I just got a powder coat. I need to pick it up tomorrow. So yeah, I like the way it look. Everything look new. Well, everything is new. Fuel liner done. Yep. Oh yeah. Teaching device. So got a bit more progress done. I'm about to install that skid plate. I'm still waiting for that damn rat. It was supposed to be here Monday, when our Friday. It's not here. That's about it for now. Alright. Exhauster on. Yeah. Brand new FMF well. They got 5 hours on them. So they're basically new. I didn't install the rear brake switch. Brand new as well. Yeah. So I could probably do a startup today. First startup. I'm still waiting on my boost bottle to come back from a powder coat. Like I said, I need to pick it up tomorrow or so. Not much to say about. It's almost ready. Almost ready for the first startup. Oh, I still need to pick up those two covers at the same time as the boost bottle. Yeah. I did put some nice exhaust spring. Brand new brackets. Brand new clamps. So yeah, I should be able to start it. Let's say I can probably start it like that, but I'm not gonna start it like that. I'm gonna wait till I got a boost bottle. So I'm gonna pick up the boost bottle and then I'm gonna start it. I already took a look if it's got spark. It does have pretty good spark. Well, it's got good spark. So oh yeah, I still need to do those little two spacers here. I got those two little dowel pin. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna have to cut them to size and install them here. I don't know where I put them. The kit come with it, but I lost those two little freaking spacers, so I'm gonna make some. Oh yeah, I got that nice DID gold chain. So yeah, almost ready for a first startup. Almost. Even got the OEM key. I don't like those cheap eBay ones, they don't last. Anyway, I keep you guys posted.